just doing a tutorial for CCR, Have You Ever Seen the Rain, or Creedance Clearwater Revival. Chords I use are G, C, A minor, F7. Strum pattern I use is down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right. Now, in the original song, there is a lot of strum slapping going on, and there's little walk downs here and there. The walk down we'll put in, but it's not too tricky. Some of the little picking patterns are between some of the verses before I wanna know, which is the little picking pattern, that part, which is a few verses. They actually just add it in here and there when it suits, you know. So it goes, you're picking the 5th string 3rd fret, 5th string 2nd fret, then just the 5th string on its own, and then the 6th string finger on. So that'll go. And that's all they do in between verses here and there. It's not too difficult, but you would have to practice it obviously within time. So down, down, off, there. Okay. It's only one pick, 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 and then pick. We'll go through it nice and slowly here. Little intro at the start is A minor, F7, C, G, and then we come on the C. So I'll do it nice and slowly. I'll use my finger, call out the chords and lyrics, and hopefully I can help you guys out, okay? And I'll show you the little walk down when we come to it in a wee minute. And it just goes from there, like this, the C, then you lift the 3rd finger off, lift the 2nd finger up 1 string, and then go to an A minor. So show you that in a wee second. Not too tricky. So A minor to the F, to the C, to the G. Here we go to the C. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, to the G. And I know it's been coming for some time, with the C. Stay in the C. When it's over, so they say, it will rain the sun, to the G. And I know it's shining down like water in the sea, the F. Here we go. To the G. I wanna know, to the C. Have you ever, to the walk down, seen the rain? Repeat. F. I wanna know, G, to C. You ever seen the rain? F. Coming down the G on a sunny day, with a C. Stay in the C. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, the rain is hot, and I know, G, it's been that way for C all my time. Then the C. To forever it goes. The C. To the circle fast and low. The G. I know. Sorry. And I know I can't stop. I wonder the C. And the F. That's practically the song. It just repeats the next. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And that comes right down to coming down on a sunny day, and then repeat that again. But it's not too tricky. That it's just finding those little bits. But it's when you come in before you sing I wanna know, or sorry, yeah, I wanna know. That's where if you want to do a little picking pattern. You know, or it's up to yourself. But it's not too tricky. Go through it nice and slowly. I'll do a wee run through here. Dun, 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 dun. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some times. When it's so safe, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. Yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? It's the day and days before. Sun is cold and rain is hot, and I know been that way for all my life. Time, sorry. Till forever it goes through the circle as the snow, and I know I can't stop, I wonder. And then it comes into C Am again. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? And then you play that bit again. I wanna know, right down to sunny day, and that's the song. If you want to throw in another verse or repeat it again if you want, they make the song a bit longer, but that's fine. Not too tricky, guys. Hope it helps you out. And I know I played a little slow, nice and slow at the start, so I do hope that does help you and get you through the song. You can work on that little picking pattern, listen to the track and go with it if you want, but practice that first and then add in the little picking pattern if you wish between some of the verses here and there. It does give it a wee lift, and work on the strum slap, but that strum there is perfectly fine, and it'll get you through any little fun occasion, party times or birthday party or whatever it may be. So good luck, guys, and take care, and get the likes in, guys. If you like the song, just hit the button. If you don't like it, well, let me know. Or if you want to dislike it, it's up to yourself. But I really do hope it helps you, and look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks, guys.